Hi there, this is Paul from Themical. I've decided to do some video tutorials to show you how to use Epic Pro. I'm hoping that these videos can be helpful when you use the program. So I've been using the software for a few years now. In these videos, I'm going to try my best to show you everything I've learned and everything I know about the program. So hopefully that you enjoy the videos, and if you have any questions, you can always email me or call me, or as you know, I can always remotely control to your computer to show you how to use the program. So let's get started. To start the program, it's pretty simple. Just double click on the icon here you have installed on the desktop. The first window we see here is what's called Configuration Chooser. Now, for most of you, you may only have one listed in this window, which is Thermocool. Some of you may have multiple options. Or if you double click on the icon, if it goes straight into the program, it just means that it's been default to Thermocool database. I've got separate database for each of these different products, so that's why I need to choose which one I will be working. So when I start the program, I'll be using Thermocool as the demonstration in the videos anyways. So I'm gonna go into Thermocool database. So just click on that, it will take us to the program. Basically this is the program. It's rather simple, I'd say. At the top left corner we've got the Epic Pro icon. If you click on that, it's got some simple functions. It's got the options, probably, which I would say is the most important ones here, but because you are using the Thermocool database, some of the settings that's already been done when we install the program on your PCs. So at this stage, you don't have to worry about these options. Underneath that, we've got a question mark. If you go to info, basically it shows you which version we are using. We are using just the standard version of Epic Pro. The software is developed by MGSoft, a company in Italy. They've got some different versions, some upper versions of Epic Pro, like you will be able to use for facade systems. You can connect to MGSoft machines and such. If you are interested, if you have time, you are more than welcome to visit their website, www.mgsoft.com. They've got a lot of information on their website basically. Now at the very bottom you can see the remote assistance TeamViewer, but usually I connect through a standard long TeamViewer program, just that because I have a business license of TeamViewer. So when I connect through a standard long version, I will be able to use the full function of TeamViewer. So it'll be allow me to chat with you, to also transfer files to the computers if I need, or I can transfer files from your computer to my computer if I need to. Back to the screen here, at the top we've got four tags: home, design, CLines, and archives. Now in these videos I'm gonna show you mainly just how to use the program for project estimating as well as project productions. So I'll be mainly showing you the design tools under the home, the design tag, maybe a little bit of the CLines later on. I found a couple of these functions are pretty useful when I build funny shape windows. Now under that, I've got a quick, I think it's called quick access toolbar. You can customize this by clicking on the drop down menu, go to more commands. You can choose the commands from each of these 4 tags and then simply just add to this to the window here, and then will show up on the quick access toolbar. Right underneath that, I've got styles and blocks. Now because I'm showing you the program on my laptop, which has a smaller screen, so I've limited the view of this part a little bit. So I have to now click on styles, blocks, or either DXF archive. But for you, you will have styles and blocks next to each other. Should be easier. I think it's easier to see anyways. I won't go into too much detail in this video. The first video I'm doing here is gonna be just a quick run through of the program. So in the later videos, I'll show you in details of how to use all these design tools at the top, as well as the styles and the blocks folder, as to when and where to use the functions. If we now move on to the right hand side, there's only properties on the right hand side. What this is, it's basically so whenever you have a window, for example a fixed Windows 45 TB series, you're building that on the screen, it shows you the properties here under this properties tag. It gives you the description of that window, dimensions, if there's any special notes you put in for the window, it shows you which system, which bead, which glass is being applied, as well as if you are building any openable sashes in here, it will show you which hardware has been applied. And under that, I've got a few more tools. These ones are pretty simple. We've got hand tools, some zoom in and zoom out tools to view this in 3D, but because we are using just the standard version of Epic Pro, some of the functions are not fully operational. I'll show you again in more details in the later videos anyways. So yep, like I said, just a quick run through of the program. Thank you for watching. I will see you in video number 2. I'll be showing you how to build Windows from scratch, and how to use the styles and the blocks to build Windows and doors.